right? Inputs are here. Inputs are inputs are the quantities, and processes outputs. What are the outputs? You have to show the bill value. Bill value is output, not just bill value.
The discount.
Yeah, a discount you have to show. That is also output. Sorry, bill value, discount is output, and processors, you have to find the bill value and discount. Calculation is the process. Decisions, if bill value is greater than or equal to 5,000, greater than 5,000, then 10% discount. If else, if greater than, bill value greater than 1,000, again 5%, then 5% discount. Bill value greater than 5,000, then 10% discount. Else, if it is greater than 1,000, 5% discount. That is decision. Those are the decisions. Anything else? Inputs, output, processes, and decisions. That's what you want to find out. Now you have to draw the flow chart. According to these cases, how we are going to draw the flow chart. So that is my question. So as a help, I can do this one. So you have to start with ellipse or rounded rectangle, whatever. Then that is your start. Then after that, what? Your inputs. Inputs mean the quantity. How many pencils you are going to buy, how many pens you are going to buy, and how many lunch boxes you are going to buy. Then the total calculation. Then the decision. This is the template. Then the total calculation. Then the total calculation. After calculating the total, sorry, this is not the symbol. You have to use proper square or rectangle. Rectangle, this one. Oh no, this is one corner rounded. There is not. Insert shapes. This one. Rectangle. Calculate the bill value and then the decision. If bill value exceeds 5,000, then 5% discount. Else, if it is not exceeding 5,000, you have to check whether it exceeds. Same thing. 5,000 exceed when නැත්තම්, then you have to check whether it exceeds 1,000. Then 5% discount. If still not, no discount. If still not, no discount. And finally, what you have to do? Finally, you have to print this is output. No, you have to add the discount. So after that, you have to add the discount to the total. After adding discount to the total, you can print the total bill value and discount. Okay, I have given the template. It's totally up to you to write down, because I'm not going to give you help now because I have done one thing. Now it's your time. And finally, you have to stop. Finally, you have to stop. Now fill in the gaps. I'll give you 3 minutes. Quickly write down, quickly draw in your book. And if possible, WhatsApp the answer or send it using the chat section. Two minutes, I'll give 2 more minutes. I think this is clear, no? So do you have any questions? You have any question, you can ask. So anyway, I think this code is clear. We have started and we have this, yes, these are the inputs. These are actually processes. because assigning means assigning some value, we will treat that as a process. Equal කියලා තියෙනවනේ process එකක් විදිහට තමයි දාන්නේ. All these things are processes. Let me color if you want. This blue color things are processes. This is process. This is process. This is also process. And this is also process. Inputs. These are the inputs. I'll color it in green color. Outputs. These are the outputs. I'll color it in purple. And decisions, you know, it's in black. So that's all. Okay. Try to do the exam questions. And next day, if you have any doubts before next week, please let me know. Then I can help you doing this. Don't wait till the next day. You can ask questions anytime. Anytime you can just send me the question through WhatsApp and ask. But don't call. Why I'm telling not to call? Because the thing is, unless if I have given you time, don't call. Because sometimes you are calling me when I'm in classes. Especially some people are calling and asking me the links when I'm in classes. That's kind of inconvenient and it's interrupting the classes. Therefore, please be ready before the class. You know the class is there in next week. Before that, please be ready. If you have not received the link, get the link with me. Contact me and get the link. If not, just go to Edmodo and find the links. Okay, I think it's clear now. Let's stop for today and thank you very much. Good night.
So guys,
Thank you,
uploading the video, right?
Sorry?
Guys, uploading the video, right?
Yeah, I'll upload the video. Some parts are not recorded due to this rain and all these issues, but anyway, I'll upload the video. You can just go through that.
Yeah, okay. So I can go to several times now.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Good
Okay.
night.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good night. Bye.